Plant your strawberries in the spring. If you're planting young plants, be sure that they're certified and disease-free. Select plants with large crowns with healthy, light-colored roots. Prepare your soil with 1 to 2 inches of organic matter, like compost, or well-rotted manure. To plant your strawberry plants, make a hole big enough to spread the roots. Make the center of the hole into a hill, and place the crown at soil level. Spread the roots downward, and bury the strawberry plant so that the soil goes halfway up the crown. Your strawberries will need 1 to 2 inches of water per week. This is especially important during the formation of the strawberry, from early bloom until it's time to pick them. Pick your strawberries when they're fully ripened. This means leaving the berries on the plant for a day or two after they are fully colored. To pick them, snap the stem directly above the berry, rather than pulling on the berry itself.